Hazrat Ali mentioned about disease as Innal marda yahuttu sayyat. Disease removes sins. Keep going as long as the disease lasts. Obstruction of stool causes disease. Rainwater removes diseases. According to Surah Ash-Shura, ayat number 80, Wa iza mariztu fahuwa yashfin. And when I am ill, it is He who cures me. Imam Sadiq said, prevention is the cure of disease. Disease affects on stomach. Don't deprive the body of what it is used to. Avoid to use medicine until your body can tolerate. Obstruction of urine causes the trouble of urinary bladder, and sitting excessive time in the toilet causes piles. Don't drink all water in one sip. It will cause the pain of liver and stomach. Ilalu zakatul abdan. Diseases are the zakat of body. Al to baitud. Stomach is the house of disease. That is, a person should take care during eating and drinking. Wal himyatu ra'asud dawa. Prevention is the chief of medicine. Ma anzalallahu min da'in illa anzalalahu shifa'an. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has not sent such disease for which there is no medicine. Man tatabbaba walam yakun bitibbi ma'rufa. One who treats someone but doesn't keep knowledge of medicine. فَإِذَا أَصَابَ نَفْسًا فَمَا دُونَهَا فَهُوَ ضَامِنٌ. Then he will be responsible if he causes the loss of life or organ of the patient. Hakim Luqman treated patients with 300 different medicines but declared love and respect the best medicine. Someone asked, if love and respect don't affect, Hakim Luqman replied, then increase its quantity.